Don't let the shorter days and cooler temperatures fool you. There is still plenty of time to get your garden started or to add more variety to your existing garden. That's right. September is one of the best times of the year to plant certain vegetables, herbs, and even flowers that really take off in the cooler weather. And the best part, some of these plants will keep producing well into early winter. So let's dive in. First up, we have spinach. This leafy green is one of the most cold-hardy vegetables out there. Because of its fast growth, it can go from seed to harvest in just 4 to 6 weeks. September is the perfect time to plant spinach as it thrives in cooler temperatures and can tolerate light frosts. Next, let's talk about lettuce. Romaine and butterhead lettuce are cool season crops that love the mild temperatures of September. They don't like the intense heat of the summer, so starting them now will ensure you have fresh, crisp lettuce in your salads all fall long. At number 3, we have radishes. Radishes are another quick crop that's perfect for fall planting. They can be harvested in as little as 25 days, so you can enjoy the spicy, crunchy goodness of homegrown radishes in no time. Now let's talk about kale. This tough leafy green is a true cold weather champion. In fact, frost actually makes kale sweeter. So the cooler temperatures of September are perfect for planting kale. It's a nutritional powerhouse that will keep producing until the first hard freeze. Coming in at number 5, we have garlic. Garlic loves the cool weather of September. Planting garlic cloves in the fall allows them to develop a strong root system. Over the winter in preparation for a big harvest next summer. At number 6, let's discuss carrots. Carrots can handle chilly soil, and even a light frost can make them sweeter. So September is a great time to sow carrot seeds for a fall harvest of sweet, juicy carrots. Now let's talk about broccoli. This cool season crop grows best in moderate temperatures, so starting broccoli in September will give you plenty of time for a fall harvest before the temperatures get too cold. Next, we have cauliflower. Like broccoli, cauliflower prefers cooler weather, so planting it in September will help you avoid the scorching summer heat and give you firm, healthy heads of cauliflower before winter. Coming in at number 9, let's talk about beets. Beets are not only great for their tasty roots, but the beet greens are also edible. September is the perfect time to plant beets for a fall harvest of both the roots and greens. Finally, at number 10, we have cilantro. This herb bolts quickly in hot weather, but in the cool air of September, it thrives. You can enjoy fresh cilantro in your favorite dishes all fall long. So there you have it, 10 amazing plants to grow in September. Don't let the changing seasons get you down. There's still plenty of time to start your garden or add more variety to your existing garden. And with these 10 plants, you'll have fresh, delicious produce well into the cooler months. Happy gardening. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more gardening tips and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now I want to hear from you. Which plant are you going to start growing this September? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be reading them.